Do you want to update the firmware of your TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: update the firmware of TP-Link router. Visit the TP-Link website and go to the download center for your region. For that, you need to connect to the router via wired or wireless connection. Then open a web browser and enter this link in the address bar. Now you should be directed to two types of login pages. You may either need to create an administrator password, or a page should pop up requesting a username and password. By default, both are admin in all lowercase. Also, enter that. If you have any issue logging in, then you can visit this page and check the troubleshooting steps. Once you visit the TP-Link website, select the appropriate product and hardware version for your TP-Link device. Using the wrong firmware version can damage your device and void the warranty. Next, download the latest firmware file. The 6 digits in the file name represents the publication date. Once downloaded the latest firmware file, unzip or extract the firmware file from the downloaded .zip file. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address to access the web-based utility. Log in with your username and password. Go to System Tools, then Firmware Upgrade or just Firmware. Click on Browse or choose File and select the extracted firmware file. Next, click on Open. Then click on the Update button. The device will reboot automatically once the upgrade is complete. Click on Status to check if the router's firmware has been successfully upgraded. Some firmware updates may reset your router to factory settings. If this happens, run the Quick Setup wizard to reconfigure your TP-Link router. Do not upgrade the firmware via a wireless connection. Do not turn off the power or disconnect the Ethernet cable during the upgrade process. Pay attention to the notes of the firmware you downloaded. Sometimes new firmware does not support the backup file of the old firmware, and you may need to reconfigure manually. And there you have it, the way to update the firmware of your TP-Link router. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.